Umujwekirwa mukuru w'ihanga abo rembo rw'ambararo rw'amatemba Jacqueline Kankunda yarabura bakuru b'amashomero ukwetantaro kwiyima begibe cyamushanjwe buzo ngo tubaka amazire bishare yaba narambura amashomero kureba kugetegwire okore buzo bicyamushanju ebyakamaririzo ebero kutandukanye ncyakare na briefing
akuriyo kugira ngo twereza abana amatsuko tubagaidinje tubaye confidence yo kugira ngo bakore batayine buba kandi no kuraba mu mashomero kusima head teachers nkamashomero gunaza mugona yeri kwa appreciating head teachers nkambara junior baharwe mixed primary school and katojo primary school ukubasima kugira ngo nuhabe hariho industrial and industrial action obyaberero these are the head teachers ababere bari in charge of their schools and their teachers remained at school teaching. So it was one of the appreciation kugira ngo nyije ba headmasters abana bomba mbasime
ogu yazo mashomero gataragamwe na gamwe yahereza bejo amaswara kubendeza obusinguzi kandi yajumero muze gwa bakuru b'amashomero barokwima beje byezo abo kubabanja fizi
abo kuba tinkwamya ngo UPE school umwana shemero butakora exams abana bona bashemeye kore exams wanumba banja then harukija kwachira results karaho banja riyo no mwana kan pay that way parent can pay after when they are picking the results but all the children must do exams
ogu yarabura bakuru b'amashomero kwetantaro kope buzo akubangwa batiro hamisha abiri
to tell all the head teachers and the inspectors of schools and others to make sure that we are not engaged in such practices of cheating. It is very bad and we should not, for us just at least the schools have seen, they have not been doing that.
Nukukunda abana tukatwarazaje tukaganira nabo because now this is the time kubato mumuduzi kimwe abintu bukuru umukushomesa nukukunda abana kana n'umwana nuba kuba bakuru bakunda ni umushimiriro bakuru b'amashomero bagamba kubetegwira koresa abana buzo largest class abana bishatu 5 n'umwe niyo class iri kukirayo umhistory y'ishomero tukagiraga kwiha kumurwendi kumena kumwe this class is special no tukubantu ba treatinga no tukwantu bareba no tukubakwasa no tukashomesa ntuma this is a special class so we expect these children to excel.
We have 164 candidates. Abana tubatebekana iseje mu mwaka gutandika. Very ready. Syllabus tukakiriza umubwire. Ngide turagire na industrial action turaha. Namasiku wabana aba zakukora.
Itwenka Harwe Mixed Primary School tutebekanisa abana bitkurunji twabasomesa syllabus yahwa abasomesa babagakira muri vision tukozere bigezo byinji kandi aho tugambira abana barurede kandi bari prepared munonga binamagara marungi tutekateka kwike bigezo ebyo abana 5 nomubona kushira mu idara yo kubanza
tubagambaho nabamwe habeji abatugambira kubetebekanise
abashomesa bashomese chikumara kandi netondimangu nziza kwaraje
bashomeseje yene ibitwitinga babitire. We have made timetables to manage time. We have
okubuzubwa n'ukutandukanye ncyakare na briefing kandi ro kubanza bakoro kubara mu kasheshe ubwo baro kurasa social studies omwihangwe na bwanyuma harwa kabiri bakore science mu kasheshe baheruke no rungerezo mwihangwe ahabwa TV West and Aidan Bataringaya.